Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Prachi and today we'll be sharing a DIY hair mask and face mask with you guys. So I like DIY hair mask as they are super affordable, they are quick, easy, you can make it at home and they don't even have any side effect on our skin and hair. That's why I like them. So today is a weekend and I usually like to do hair mask or face mask on weekends because we don't get time generally on weekdays. So before getting into the video, if you're wondering about my look, I created this beautiful look using only 5 products. Video will be up soon about this. Only 5 minutes to create this look and I'm really happy with the result. There's a disclaimer guys, if you find lighting issue in this video, that is because I use natural light. I live in Mumbai and it's heavily raining outside, so maybe that's the reason for external sound and lighting issue. Please watch it till the end to know the result, and that's all for this introduction. Let's get into the video now. So I'm back. I've removed my makeup. I have already washed my face using this face wash by Aroma Magic. This is lavender face wash, especially for dry skin people. And then I have also scrubbed my face using this scrub. This is also by Aroma Magic. This is their mineral glow scrub. I like Aroma Magic as a brand because they are chemical free, alcohol free and paraben free. That's the reason. And now let's start with the application of our hair mask and face mask. So I'm back. I washed my hair and I have naturally dried them. You can see the result. I'm really happy with it. My hair are looking more healthy and they are super soft. So the ingredients which we have used for hair mask, that is methi dana, fenugreek seed, that promotes hair growth. It also reduces our hair fall and it also provides shine and luster to hair. And yogurt is rich in protein, so it nourishes our scalp as well as it cleanses it. And these two ingredients are really good for our hair. So the ingredients which we have used for our face mask is, first one is gram flour, that is besan. It improves our skin texture. It also helps in reducing tanning. And then turmeric, which has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic properties. And the last one was yogurt again, which is rich in protein. It helps in removing tanning and pigmentation. So all the ingredients which we have used in our hair mask and face mask are all natural, so they don't have any side effects, and I'm really happy with the way my skin and hair are looking, and I hope you will try this mask for yourself. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like it, and if you do, please hit like, share, subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and hit the notification bell to get the notification when I upload a new video. And I really hope that you find this video helpful. So we'll be back soon.